Dear friends, I, Ratnabali give a dictation for 120 words per minute. 5 seconds left. Start. The Indian Constitution has established an integrated judicial system which places Supreme Court at the top and the High Courts below it, followed by a hierarchy of subordinate courts. The constitutional provisions related to the Supreme Court are contained in Part 5 from Articles 124 to 147. Initially, there was a Chief Justice and 7 other judges in the Supreme Court, and now the number has increased to 31 judges, including the Chief Justice of India in 2009. The Parliament has given the power to increase the number of Supreme Court judges according to the needs and the circumstances. The Chief Justice of India is highest judicial officer of the country. The post is one of the esteemed and dignity requires consummate jurisprudential caliber as well as the personal stature to occupy the office. The nature of work of CJI is largely administrative, and that includes allocating work amongst the judges of the Supreme Court. According to Article 126, when the office of Chief Justice of India is vacant or when the Chief Justice is by reason of absence or otherwise unable to perform the duties of his office, the duties of the offices shall be performed by such one of the other judges of the court as the President may appoint for the purpose. The judges of the Supreme Court are appointed by the President. The Chief Justice is appointed by the President after consultation with such judges of Supreme Court and High Court as he or she deems necessary. The other judges are appointed by the President after consultation with Chief Justice and other judges of Supreme Court and High Courts as he or she deems necessary. The consultation with the Chief Justice is obligatory in the case of appointment of a judge other than Chief Justice. A person shall not be qualified for appointment as a judge of the Supreme Court unless he or she is a citizen of India and has been for at least 5 years a judge of a high court or 2 such courts in succession, or has been for at least 10 years an advocate of a high court or of 2 or more such courts in succession. Stop.